Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. Om. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अम्न्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ हरिः ओम्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम् कृष्णं नारायणं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे व्रजप्रियं कृष्णं द्वैपायनं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे पृथासुतं सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। रमापतिपदाम्भोजपरिस्फुरति मानसं सेनापतिमहं वन्दे विश्वक्सेनं निरन्तरम् प्रह्लादनारदपराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीशशुकशौनकभीष्मदाल्कान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुनवसिष्ठविभीषणादीन् पुण्यानिमान् परमभागवतान् स्मरामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतः चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायाति कवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयः यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकम् सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमः निर्मत्सराणां सताम् वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यते प्रकृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः यन्त्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यम् द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यस्वानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितितीर्षतान्तमोऽन्धम् संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यम् तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनाम् नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकीनन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नमः पङ्कजनाभाय नमः पङ्कजमालिने नमः पङ्कजनेत्राय नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रये यस्य भगवताख्या सर्वेषां भक्तिदानृणां स एव करुणा सिन्धुः बोधितात्मा गुरुर्मम तस्मै श्रीवासुदेवाय धरणीसुररूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय तुभ्यं श्रीगुरवे नमः शङ्खचक्रगदा पद्मधारिणे गुरुरूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय वासुदेवाय ते नमः संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनं मां करुणानिधे कर्मग्राहगृहीताङ्गं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात् श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यः दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपप्रबोधज्ञ सर्वशास्त्रविशारद एतत्कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खं कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रम् राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि ॐ रूपं भगवतो यत्तं मनः कान्तं शुचापहम् अपश्यन् सहसोत्तस्थे वैक्लव्यादुर्मना इव. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavad Puran session. We are in first canto. We are in the 6th chapter. And we are seeing Narad Ji's story. And we have seen like at the age of 5, when he got the knowledge, what did he do was Vyasji's question. So then he was telling story that how he was living with his mom, and then one day, one night when she was going to milk the cows, how on the way she stepped on a snake who bit her, and she left her mortal coils. So thereafter, how Naradji goes through such valleys and through different terrains, we saw that description. And then he goes in a deep forest where there is no one, and he sits under a peepal tree. and he meditates over there. And with his tapas, Lord manifests. So we saw till here, we read this verse, and we said we will come back and see that verse. Okay, so we have to see the meaning of this verse and then go ahead. Give me a minute. It's verse number 19. We have it. So, when he got the darshan in that verse number 18, when he got the darshan of Lord, the description, like how he had horripilations and how ecstatic he was. But now what has happened in this 19 verse, which we had chanted last week, and we said we'll come back over here. The reason is over here, Lord disappears. Lord just gives him that glimpse, and Lord has disappeared. And he is trying to again meditate and to capture that vision what he had in his cave of a heart again. But Lord is there no more. So he springs out of it. So now he's very perturbed. Like, where is the Lord? So we have not seen the meaning. So this is the meaning in the verse 19, which we had stopped, that Rupam Bhagavata, he had seen that, and then uh, it is not coming in his mind again in the seat of meditation, though he wanted it again. And again he tries to meditate. But now Lord is no more visible to him. So we have seen till here. Today we have to start from verse number 20. We'll have the volunteers. Okay, 20th. दिदृक्षस्तदहं भूयः
दिदृक्षुस्तदहं भूयः
प्रणिधाय मनोहृदि वीक्षमाणोऽपि
नापश्यम्
अवितृप्त इवातुरः दिदृक्षुस्तदहं भूयः प्रणिधाय मनोहृदि
दिदृक्षुस्तदहं भूयः प्रणिधाय मनोहृदि
वीक्षमाणोऽपि नापश्यम् अवितृप्त इवातुरः
वीक्षमाणोऽपि नापश्यम् अवितृप्त इवातुरः दिदृक्षुस्तदहं भूयः प्रणिधाय मनोहृदि वीक्षमाणोऽपि नापश्यम् अवितृप्त इवातुरः.
Vidrukshuhu, that to see, the eagerness to see. So I have that eagerness to see. Bhuyaha, again. Then pranidhaya. So he's concentrating the mind. Manaha, hridi. He's concentrating the mind on the cave of the heart. And Vikshamanaha, and eager to see him and searching the Lord also. But na pashyam, but he couldn't see. Avitrupta, and he was not happy. Ivaturaha, he was restless. Atura is, in Ayurvedic terms, Atura is a patient. But Atura is that eagerness and that dissatisfaction. When for a lover she is waiting, and Krishna is not seeing that eagerness, and that which makes the mind very perturbed, very disturbed for not able to see. So that is an Atura Avastha, where you are eager and you are not getting to see. and that turmoil in the heart that it causes, and that pain in the heart that it causes, that is the Aturavastha. So he is now in that state. दिदृक्षस्तदहं भूयः प्रणिधाय मनोहृदि वीक्षमाणोऽपि नापश्यम् अवितृप्तैवातुरः एवं यतन्तं विजने. Am I not audible? Hari Om. Am I not audible? Hari Om. Am I audible? Yeah, I think I lost my connection. Give me a minute. I'm just changing the place. I've come in inside room, so probably the range is a issue. I'm having some guests at home. Just give me a minute. I'll change my place. Audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes. Thank you. Extremely sorry for this inconvenience. I can't step out. If I step out, there are kids. You won't be able to have our class. But don't think I just mentioned. Okay. Did you hear till I say the full meaning of the verse?
You said the whole meaning of the verse number 20 and you started the Evai Yatatam and you just froze after that.
Okay, so we'll start that. Evai yatantam vijane
Evai Yatantam Vijane
mamaha gocharo gira. Let me just give you. Mamaha gocharo giram.
Mamaha Gocharo Giram
गम्भीरश्लक्ष्णया वाचा
Gambhira Vacha
शुचः प्रशमयन्निव
Shuchaf Prashamayanniva
एवं यतन्तं विजने मामाह गोचरो गिराम्
Evai Yatantam Vijane Mamaha Gocharo Giram
गम्भीरश्लक्ष्णया वाचा शुचः प्रशमयन्निव
Gambhira Vacha
श्लक्ष्णया
Shuchaf
श्लक्ष्णीय no श्लक्ष्ण
Shlakshnaya Vacha Shlakshnaya no Gambhira Shlakshnaya Vacha Shuchaf Prashamayanniva
एवं
Evam Yatantam Vijane Mamaha Gocharo Giram Gambhira Shlakshnaya Vacha Shuchaf Prashamayanniva
evam, in this way, yatantam, when I was trying, vijane, vijane, where there are no people. In in a deserted area, when I was trying to see the Lord, mom to me, Dvitiya Vibhakti, to me, aha means told. Agocharaha giram. Agochara. Gochara, go is indriyas. Gochara, something that can be palpated by the indriyas. Agocharaha, which is beyond the indriya sensations. Giram, words. So something which is not describable. He heard such words. Gambhira shlakshnaya. And it was in a very soft, very sublime, very soothing words. Such vacha, such words. Shuchaha prashamayan iva. So, Shuchaha is also meaning shoka. So he was in that Aturavastha and means Naraji. And to as if prashamayan iva, to pacify that, he hears this Bhagwan's voice speak to him in the most soothing words. Ma maha gocharo. Ma aha agocharaha. See those words out over there. Our Savarna Dirgha Sandhi and everything is fixed over there. Evai yatantam vijane mamaha gocharo giram गम्भीरश्लक्ष्णया वाचा शुचः प्रशमयन्निव. Next one. हन्तास्मिन् जन्मनि भवान्
Hantasmin Janmani Bhavan
न मां द्रष्टुमिहार्हति
Namandrashtumiharhati
अविपक्वकषायाणाम्
Avipakvakashayanan
कषायाणाम् पाद
Avipakvakashayanam
दुर्दर्शोऽहं कुयोगिनाम्
Durdarshohan दुर्दर्शोऽहं कुयोगिनाम्
अन्तास्मिन् जन्मनि भवान् न मां द्रष्टुमिहार्हति
हन्तास्मिन् जन्मनि भवान् न मां द्रष्टुमिहार्हति
अविपक्वकषायाणां दुर्दर्शोऽहं कुयोगिनाम्
अविपक्वकषायाणां दुर्दर्शोऽहं कुयोगिनाम् हन्तास्मिन् जन्मनि भवान् न मां द्रष्टुमिहार्हति अविपक्वकषायाणां दुर्दर्शोऽहं कुयोगिनाम्.
So now Bhagwan Ji says, Hant, alas, not alas, asmin janmani, in this birth, Bhavan, you are, na, mam, drashtum, arhati, you are not atti, eligible to see me. Mam drashtum, Bhavan, na harhati. आप मुझे देखने लायक नहीं मीन्स he has told his eligibility only Bhagwan ji. You are not yet eligible to see me. So only the voice is heard. Okay. And the reason is avipakva kashayanam durdarshaha aham puyoginam. Puyoginam. Those who have not done enough penance and have purified them. And avipakva kashayanam. So it means avipakva, immature still, kashayas. So all the doshas are still existing. Heart is not purified. Mind, antakkar, and the instrument is not yet purified. In such avastha, durdarshaha aham. I am very difficult to see. So Lord actually gave him that glimpse as a teaser. And he got attracted, attached, and intoxicated with that. Because Lord wants him to take certain penance. So in a pure antakarana only, it will be visible. Otherwise, it's not going to be visible. This sublime voice tells narrative. Hantasmin janmani bhavan naman drashtumiharhati avipakvakashayanam durdarshoham kuyoginam sakridyad darshitam rupam
सकृद्यद् दर्शितं रूपम्
etat kamayate nagha.
एतत् कामायते नघ
मत्कामशनकैः साधुः
मत्कामशनकैः साधुः
सर्वान् मुञ्चति हृच्छयान्
सर्वान् मुञ्चति हृच्छयान्
सकृद्यद्दर्शितं रूपम् एतत् कामायते नघ.
सकृद्यद्दर्शितं रूपम् एतत् कामायते नघ
मत्कामशनकैः साधुः सर्वान् मुञ्चति हृच्छयान्
मत्कामशनकैः साधुः सर्वान् मुञ्चति हृच्छयान् सकृद्यद्दर्शितं रूपम् एतत् कामायते नघ मत्कामशनकैः साधुः सर्वान् मुञ्चति हृच्छयान्.
So now, what does Lord say over here? Sakrat yad darshitam. So means just one time, yad darshitam, what I have shown you, rupam, this rupam, etat, this rupam, what I have shown you once, kamaya tenagha, O sinless one, kamaya, for you to keep longing for me, I have shown you this rupam once. Lord is saying, mat kamaha Shanakaihi sadhuhu. Kama means in me, you will have that longing again, that desire again. And to increase that longing and to make you fit, what you have to do? Sarvan munchati ruchayan. Whatever are the desires in your hand, Sarvan, all those kinds of desire you'll have to get rid of. There should be only one burning desire is to see the Lord. And what you have to see, for that I have given you the glimpse so that you can long for me alone and more. Lord says. सकृद्यद्दर्शितं रूपम् एतत् कामाय ते नघ मत्कामः शनकैः साधुः सर्वान् मुञ्चति रुच्छयान्. सचिन जी. सत्सेवया दीर्घया ते
सत्सेवया दीर्घया ते
जाता मयि दृढा मतिः
जाता मयि दृढा मतिः
हित्वा वद्यमिमं लोकम्
हित्वा वद्यमिमं लोकम्
गन्तामज्जनतामसि
गन्तामज्जनतामसि
सत्सेवया दीर्घया ते जाता मयि दृढा मतिः
सत्सेवया दीर्घया ते जाता मयि दृढा मतिः
हित्वा वद्यमिमं लोकम् गन्तामज्जनतामसि
हित्वा वद्यमिमं लोकं गन्तामज्जनतामसि सत्सेवया दीर्घया ते जाता मयि दृढा मतिः हित्वा वद्यमिमं लोकं गन्तामज्जनतामसि.
Satsevaya. Naraji has served the saints, right? So because of that, and Satsevaya Dirghayate, even for whatever time you had served the saints, Jatamai Drudha Matihi, that in me you have kept your intellect very strong. Even the period, whatever you got to serve the saints, you have kept my thought, your mind fixed on me. Therefore, what? Hitva vadya imam. Hitva avadya. Hitva dropping. Avadya imam. So when you would be dropping whatever, the material body, lokam ganta mad janatamasi. So when you would drop your body in this loka, mad janatamasi. So you will reach into my people, in my, so he will get Saloka. So when Naraji from this loka would drop the body, he would be getting a position in Bhagwan's body, Bhagwan's loka, one of his tendon, Majjanata. Means whoever is attending Lord in Lord's Vaikuntha, he will be getting a position. Bhagwan ji says, Satsevaya dirghaya te jata mai dridha matihi hitva vadyaimal lokam gatamajjanmatamasi matirmai nibadheyam
मतिर्मयि निबद्धेयं
विपद्येत कर्हिचित्
न विपद्येत कर्हिचित्
प्रजासर्गनिरोधेऽपि
प्रजासर्गनिरोधेऽपि
स्मृतिश्च मदनुग्रहात्
स्मृतिश्च मदनुग्रहात्
मतिर्मयि निबद्धेयं न विपद्येत कर्हिचित्
मतिर्मयि निबद्धेयं न विपद्येत कर्हिचित्
प्रजासर्गनिरोधेऽपि स्मृतेश्च मदनुग्रहात्
प्रजासर्गनिरोधेऽपि स्मृतिश्च मदनुग्रहात् मतिर्मयि निबद्धेयं न विपद्येत कर्हिचित् प्रजासर्गनिरोधेऽपि स्मृतिश्च मदनुग्रहात्
Madanugrahat, by my grace. What will happen? Lord has given him such a lovely Ashirvad. Matirmayi nibaddheyam. Your mati, your intellect, nibaddhemayi, in me. Nibaddheyam. You have fixed your mind on me. So, na vipadyeta karhichit. That will na vipadyet. Never, it will never stop. So your mind will always remain on me. So Lord gives that Ashirvad to him. And then Prajasarga Nirodhepi. Even if there is a pralaya, even if this universe comes to standstill, even if there is no then smritishcha, or there is no memory, whatever would happen, even beyond that creation, means even if that whole creation has pralaya, if there is a delusion, if there is a, if everything also perishes, smriti, your memory will be intact on me only. So Lord has promised him that he will have a Ananya devotion. Naradji would have Ananya devotion to the Lord, come what may, even if everything else perishes in the universe. Such a beautiful thing. Matirmai nibaddheyam na vipadyeta karhichit praja sarga nirodhepi smritishcha madanugrahat. एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत्
एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत्
भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम्
भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम्
अहं च तस्मै महतां महीयसे
अहं च तस्मै महतां महीयसे
शीर्ष्णावनामौ विदधेनुकम्पितः
शीर्ष्णावनामौ विदधेनुकम्पितः
एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत् भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम्
एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत् भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम्
अहं च तस्मै महतां महीयसे शीर्ष्णावनामौ विदधेनुकम्पितः
अहं च तस्मै महतां महीयसे शीर्ष्णावनामौ विदधेनुकम्पितः एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत् भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम् अहं च तस्मै महतां महीयसे शीर्ष्णावनामौ विदधेनुकम्पितः.
Very beautiful line is this. Etavad, in this way, so much. Uktva, our Tvanta way, having said, Upararama, it stopped. So how so much saying so, that voice, no, which was talking, that stopped. And then that description of that voice is there. That voice, Mahat. So it was so great. So Bhutam, Adbhutam means very surprisingly, very wonder. Nabho Lingam. So it was the voice. O Lingam Ishvaraha. Means you are able to hear Nabho Lingam. You are able to hear it, but you are not able to see that. To such Mahatam Mahiyase, the greater than the greatest, Aham, I, to such, Shirshnava Nama. So Shirshna with my head, Avanama. I bow down Vidadhenu Kampitaha. Because Anukampitaha. With that grace, I could just only bow down my head. So such big thing has happened. You are hearing the voice of something which you cannot otherwise grasp. You are not able to see, but you know something big has happened. And this voice, when it stopped, when Upararama, I just bowed down my head. Naradji says to Vyasdevi. एतावदुक्त्वोपरराम तन्महत् भूतन्नभो लिङ्गमलिङ्गमीश्वरम् अहं च तस्मै महता महीयसे शीर्ष्णावनामं विदधेनुकम्पितः नामान्यनं तस्य हतत्रपः पठन्
नामान्यनन्तस्य हतत्रपः पठन्
गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन्
गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन्
गाम्पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः
गाम्पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः
कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः
कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः
नामान्यनन्तस्य हतत्रपः पठन् गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन्
नामान्यनन्तस्य हतत्रपः पठन् गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन्
गाम्पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः
गाम्पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः नामान्यनन्तस्य हतत्रपः पठन् गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन् गाम्पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः
So now, Gataspruhaha, free of all desires. Santushtamanaha, Tushtamanaha, very satisfied, happy mind. Gam Paryatan. Paryatan, roaming. Gam, singing. So, Naradji is now Gataspruha. He is free of desires. Tushtamana, he is happy, and Gam Paryatan, he is singing and roaming. What is he singing and roaming? Namani Anantasya, Lord's Anantanama, Hatatrapaha. Hatatrapaha, now he doesn't have any formalities of this world. Like we have so many formalities to do, right? We have to be there for our family, we have to do this, we have to do that. We have to mind who are there. We have got so many things, right? We have caught ourselves and we have bound ourselves. Now he is Hatatrapaha. He is out of all the formalities of all this material world. And Uthan Guhyani Bhadrani Kritani Chasmaram. All the secret names and just he is just now thinking of the Lord and he is not doing anything else but only Lord's name. And he's going roaming all over the world. And what he's doing in that Kalam, Pratikshan, Vimadaha, Vimatsaraha. He's just waiting for his body to drop. Kalam, Pratikshan. Waiting for the body, waiting for the time to come, to go, because Lord has said, no, not in this loka, but another loka he will get. And Vimadaha, Vimatsaraha, no mada he has, and no matsara. What jealousy and what to say, vanity. He's got nothing else. Am I audible? Showed that my internet is gone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it just flashed that my internet is unstable, so I thought again I have gone or what the connection. Anyways, so now in this way, he is just going around the world, around the universe, chanting Lord's name. नामान्यनन्तस्य हतत्रपः पठन् गुह्यानि भद्राणि कृतानि च स्मरन् गां पर्यटं स्तुष्टमनागतस्पृहः कालं प्रतीक्षन् विमदो विमत्सरः. We will have Lataji. एवं कृष्णमतेर्ब्रह्मन्
I'm sorry, Varshaji, just
28.
which I don't know how this page just changed. Sorry about it.
28, verse 28.
Sorry. Evam Krishnamate Brahma.
Brahman.
Is it Brahman?
Brahman.
Evam Krishnamate Brahman.
Asattasyamalātmanah Brahman. And not to start with na. You have to start with a. Asattasyamalātmanah.
Asaksyamalatmanah. Is it?
No. Asattasya.
Oh, Asaktasyaamalatmanah.
Kalaspramadurabhūtkāle.
Kalaf pradurabhūtkāle.
Tadit saudāmani yathā.
Tadit saudāmani yatha.
Evam Krishnamaterbramhan asaktasyamalātmanah.
Evam Krishnamater Brahman asaktasyaamalatmanah.
Alaf pradurabhūtkāle tadit saudāmani yathā.
Kalaf pradurabhūtkāle tadit saudāmani yatha. Evam Krishnamater Brahman asaktasyaamalatmanah. Kalaf pradurabhūtkāle tadit saudāmani tatha.
He says, Eva, in this manner, Krishnamatehe Brahman. In Krishna, my mind fixed on Krishna. It has become Krishnamaya. And how it is? Asakta. It is not attached to anything. And Amalatmanaha. Heart is also pure. It doesn't have any malas in the heart. And he's in that pure state. And then Kalaha Pradurbhut. So then when the time came, Kalaha Prabhut, that time came, Tadit Saudamani Tatha. Tadit, that like a flash, the Saudamani, the light, Tadit Saudamani, like a flash of a lightning, the body just disintegrated, went. So Naraji is telling that what happened, because Vyasji's question was then. So he says, Vyasji, that it was with the Tarit Saudamani, like a flash of the lightning, everything finished. Evam Krishnamater Brahman asaktasyamalātmanah kalaf pradurabhūt kāle tarit saudāmani yathā prayujyamāne maitāṃ. means when the time came, the body just disappeared like
Prayujyamane.
that, like how a lightning would come. You can't keep on seeing a lightning. It is like this. So his body at that appointed hour, it just went. He didn't have to suffer or wait.
Prayujyamane Maitam.
Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum.
Shuddham
Did it?
You froze, is it?
I think so. I'm so sorry.
I didn't hear you.
Yeah. Even I didn't hear you. Could you say that again? Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum.
Should. Mm. Did you hear me?
No.
Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum.
Yes, I think my internet has come back. I'm hearing you now. Arabdha karma nirvanaha.
Arabdha karma nirvanaha.
Kartikji, I think now I'm audible, right? Because the message is there, I'm not audible. Nyapatat panchabhautikaha.
Nyapatat panchabhautikaha.
प्रयुज्यमाने मयितां शुद्धां भागवतीं तनुम्.
Prayujyamane Maitam. Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum.
आरब्धकर्म निर्वाणः न्यपतत् पाञ्चभौतिकः.
Arabdha karma nirvanaha. Nyapatat panchabhautikaha. Prayujyamane Maitam. Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum. Arabdha karma nirvanaha. Nyapatat panchabhautikaha.
So we all have a body because of some past samskaras that we carry. We have some prarabdhas to fulfill with this body, and we get certain body. So here Naradji is saying, so now when the time has come, and like a flash of the lightning, his body was dropped. He's saying, Arabdha karma nirvana, the prarabdhas that was responsible to hold that body, nyapatat, it failed. That panchabhautik body fell. Means his prarabdhas were washed out. And then what happens? Prayujyamane maitam shuddham bhagavatim tanum. Bhagavati of God's tanum, body. So now he has to be Lord's attendant, right? He's going to be one of the attendants over there in Bhagwan's world. So his body was now Shuddha, and he's going to get transported, translated into not the body which is here, the Panchabhutik. So his Panchabhutik body has dropped, but he's getting his Sukshma Adha Sharira, which is necessary to be in the Sayuja, in that loka of Lord as his attendant. Was I audible throughout the meaning or I was not?
Some parts were patchy.
Okay. So now I'm okay. Now my audio is there. I'm very
Now you're
sorry
okay.
about this. Okay.
Yeah.
So why are we holding the body? We have certain prarabdhas to fulfill. So here Naradji is saying that arabdha karma nirvana, whatever was his prarabdha, that got exhausted and his panchabhautik body nyapatat. His panchabhautik body means the body had fallen down. And now Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanu, to serve the Lord, he gets a different body out of that pure. So it's not the same Panchabhutik body, he's transported to Bhagwan's place. He gets a different body to be Lord's attendant. Prayujyamane Maitam Shuddham Bhagavatim Tanum Arabdha Karma Nirvanaha Nyapatat Panchabhautika Kalpantamidamādāya
Kalpanta idamadaya
Shayanim Bhasyudanvataha
Shayanem bhasyudanvataha
Shishayishyoranupranam
Shishayishyoranupranam
Vivishentaraham Vibhoho
Vibhishentaraham vibho
Vibhoho
Vibhishentaraham vibho
Kalpantam Kalpanta Idamādāya
The whole line?
Shayani Bhasyudanvataha
Kalpanta idamadaya Shayanem bhasyudanvataha
Shishayishyoranupranam Vivishentaraham Vibhoho
Shishayishyoranupranam Vibhishentaraham vibho Kalpanta idamadaya Shayanem bhasyudanvataha Shishayishyoranupranam Vibhishentaraham vibho
So now what happens? Kalpanta. So when the Kalpanta has come, when there is this pralaya, when the whole kalpas are going to finish, then idamadaya. So taking this, what? Shayane ambhasi udanvataha. Shayane, the one who is sleeping, ambhasi, in the water, udanvataha. And then there is that next word also, Shishayi Shoho. So Shishayi Shoho is our Bhagwanji who is lying on that Sheshanaga, in the Milky Ocean. So he is in that reclining pose. So when there is this Kalpanta, when there is this deluge, when there is water everywhere, Lord is lying down over there. And now what is happening during that? The entire creation goes in the Lord, right? So, Vivishehe Antar Aham Vibhoho. Vivishe is to enter, and Vibho is Brahmaji. So now, Brahmaji is also going to enter that body because the whole creation is going in now. Bhagavanji, who is lying there on the Milky Ocean, there is this Kalpanta. That time, Aham. So even I also enter in that. This is what Naradji is saying. Kalpantamidam, in Bhagwanji, this is Kalpantamidamādāya Shayane Bhasyudanvataha Shishayishyoranupranam Vivishentaraham Vibhoho Sahasrayuga Paryante
Sahasrayuga paryante
Utthāye Damsi Srukshataha
Utthāye Damsi Srukshataha
Maricha Mishra Hrishayaha
Marichi Mishra Rishayaha
Anebhyo Hanja Jadnire
प्राणेभ्यो हञ्च जज्ञिरे
सहस्रयुगपर्यन्ते उक्थायेदंसि सृक्षतः
सहस्रयुगपर्यन्ते उत्थायेदंसि सृक्षतः
मरीचिमिश्रा ऋषयः प्राणेभ्यो हञ्च जज्ञिरे
मरीचिमिश्रा ऋषयः प्राणेभ्यो हञ्च जज्ञिरे सहस्रयुगपर्यन्ते उत्थायेदंसि सृक्षतः मरीचिमिश्रा ऋषयः प्राणेभ्यो हञ्च जज्ञिरे
Sahasrayugaparyantam, 1,000 yugas. So we know like one yuga is with so many lakhs of years. So of that 1,000 yuga. So it's like a mind-boggling number. 42, 43 God knows lakhs, and of that 1,000 years, of that time, Uttayedam, Uttaya, so much time has gone. That time, Sisrukshataha, to make again the creation, Sisruksha, to generate again, to give birth to again, to make the creation again. That time, what happened when the creation was going to happen? That time, Marichi Mishra Rushayaha, all Marichi, Yangirasa, all those rishis from Bhagwan's Pranibhyaha, Jadnire. Jadnire, they appeared from Bhagwan's Prana, Bhagwan's Indriyas. And that time, Aham appeared. So Aham also. So I also came out that time. So when there was this deluge, and after so many thousands of yugas, when again there was going to be a Sisruksha, the creation, that time when Marichi and all other Rishi were coming out, that time I also came out from Pranebhyaha, Bhagwan's Prana. Sahasrayuga उत्थायेदंसि सृक्षतः मरीचिमिश्रा ऋषयः प्राणेभ्यो हञ्च जज्ञिरे. Venkatesh ji. Our time is already up. Doesn't matter. We'll do few verses. I thought we are going to complete the chapter, but it seems it will be longer. Antarbahishcha lokam strim.
Antarbahishcha lokam strin.
Paryemya skandita vrataha.
Paryempya skandita vrataha.
Anugrahan mahavishnoho.
Anugrahan Mahavishnu.
Vishnoho. Visarga.
Vishnu.
Vishnoho. Visarga I'm saying.
Yeah. Anugrahan Mahavishnoho.
Avighatagati kvachit.
Avighatagati
Mahaprana.
kvachit.
Mahaprana.
Avighatagati kvachit.
Gati kvachit. Avi is short V. Antarbahishcha lokam strim. Paryemya skandita vrataha.
Antarbahishcha lokam strin. Paryempya skandita vrataha.
Anugrahan mahavishnoho. Avighatagati kvachit.
Anugrana Mahavishnoho Avighata Gatik Kvachit. अन्तर्बहिश्च लोकां स्त्रीन् पर्येम्य स्कन्दितव्रतः अनुग्रहान् महाविष्णोः अविघातगतिः
We don't pause.
क्वचित्
Avighat.
अविघातगतिः क्वचित्.
Sarvahi Lokanstri. Not only Naraji was able to go through the three lokas, even beyond the three lokas, he was able to go. Antaha three lokan and Bahi also three lokan. Paryemi, I was going. Askandita vrataha, askandita, without any obstruction, I could go. And Anugrahan Mahavishnoho, because of the grace of Mahavishnu, Avighata Gatihi Kvachit. There was no any hindrances from anywhere. So he could go not only into the three lokas, not just the earth and the universe, all the three lokas he could travel, and even outside the three lokas, even beyond that, because he was under grace of Mahavishnu. So beautiful. Antarbahishcha lokam stream paryemi. Paryemi, paryatan karna. I was roaming. Askandita vrata. Paryemi askandita vrataha. Anugrahan Mahavishnoho. Abhighata gatih kvachit. Devadattamimaಂ वीणाम्
देवदत्तामिमां वीणां
स्वरब्रह्मविभूषिताम्
स्वरब्रह्मविभूषितां
मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथाम्
मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथां
तथा खमः प्राण गायमानश्चराम्यहम्
गायमानश्चराम्यहम्
देवदत्तामिमां वीणा स्वरब्रह्मविभूषिताम्
देवदत्तामिमां वीणां स्वरब्रह्मविभूषिताम्
मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथाम् गायमानश्चराम्यहम्
मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथां गायमानश्चराम्यहम् देवदत्तामिमां वीणां स्वरब्रह्मविभूषितां मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथां गायमानश्चराम्यहम्.
So Devadattam, given by God, Imam Veenam, this Veena, and Swarabrahma Vibhushitam. So, and even Swarabrahma, the highest, the most divine Swara, has been, it's like an ornament given to him. And with that vibration, with that Murchayitva, having Harikatham Gayamanaha Charami Ham. So just saying Lord's name and Lord's stories, Gayamanaha, singing Lord's stories, Charami Aham, I am roaming. Devadattami Veenam Swarabrahma Vibhushitam Murchayitva Harikatham Gayamaनश्चराम्यहम् प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि
प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि
तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः
तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः
आहूत इव मे शीघ्रम्
आहूत इव मे शीघ्रम्
दर्शनै याति चेतसि
दर्शनै याति चेतसि
प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः
प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः
आहूत इव मे शीघ्रं दर्शनैयाति चेतसि
आहूत इव मे शीघ्रं दर्शनयाति चेतसि
चेतसि
प्रगाय
short
दर्शनयाति चेतसि प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः
आहूत
प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः आहूत इव मे शीघ्रं दर्शनया आहूत इव मे शीघ्रं दर्शनयाति चेतसि.
So Pragayataha. So like this, having singing continuously. Pragayataha, only singing Lord's name. Swaviryani, Tirthapadaha, Priyashravaha. Ahuta iva me. Iva. Ahuta means Iva. Iva means like as though I have, ordered him to come. So his feet, his lotus feet, by listening to his glories that I was seeing, they, Chetasi, in my mind, in my heart, they would come, Darshanam Yati. So then he would keep on singing, and the Lord who melts by when his name is called, and or when he hears his bhaktas call his name, as though I have summoned the Lord would show his darshan in my heart. This is what Naraji said. Very beautiful words these are. प्रगायतस्ववीर्याणि तीर्थपादप्रियश्रवाः आहूतैव मे शीघ्रं. Quickly, that Lord has to come now because that's the intensity of his singing. And then Lord, just as if he's been ordered to come, Lord comes and shows darshan in his heart. Darshanayati chetasi. Sada sarvatra govinda nama sankirtanam. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. So, I had intended to complete the chapter. Last week we had done 19 verses. Doesn't matter his way. We had some internet issues and we were a little slow also. We'll complete the chapter next week and go into the next chapter immediately. Any questions on today's verses? We'll end the session and then we'll go to daily Gita immediately. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's rush to the daily Gutana.
Hari Om, thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Sue.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Sue. Hari Om.